Okay, let me start. So, see, write this definition. Bivariate distribution. A distribution involving two variables is known as bivariate distribution. Okay. Then we studied what we studied yesterday? Correlation and regression. Correlation we studied. Okay. Carl Pearson's coefficient R of xy equal to covariance of xy divided by sigma x sigma y covariance of xy equal to summation of xi yi divided by n. Okay, whereas sigma x equal to x bar square. Summation of yi square divided by n. This is for a discrete distribution y square. Okay? Just to go through it, see the formulas, understand them. Very important formulas. Okay, right below this. Properties of the correlation coefficient. Right, properties of R of x.
सर ते आर आहे का?
हाँ. Yeah. R lies between minus n plus 1. If R equal to 1, both x and y are correlated. You understand meaning of correlated, na? That is, one depends upon other. They depends upon each other. Okay. If R equal to 0, then they are not correlated. Negatively correlated. That is, if one is increasing, other is decreasing by same amount. If one is increasing, other will decrease. Then probable error. Error, you understand, na? Everywhere in the statistics, we are doing approximation. Okay, probable error in R is, right, error equal to 0.6745 1 minus R square divided by square root of n, square root of capital N, where capital N equal to n or summation of Fi. N is the number of observations, which is summation, huh? Summation of Fi. Okay, we'll go through example to understand the concept. Right now, example. Find Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Right. Find Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation for that X marks in maths. Marks in physics. Corresponding marks in physics are 18, 12, 24, 6, 30, 36. Right, solution. Hold on. Table is required. Xi yi, xi, yi, xi square, yi square. Yes, complete the table now.
हॅलो सर. तर 18च्या खाली तुम्ही आडवी लाईन का मारली?
कुठे 18च्या खाली?
18च्या खाली टेबल मध्ये आडवी लाईन मारली.
18च्या खाली कुठे लाईन? अच्छा ते वे. अरे ते समजण्यासाठी.
ओके सर.
Okay, find all the summations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 summations are required. Please complete the table and tell me what the summations are. Yes, what are the summations? So I'm doing it in the Excel. I think many of you might know how to use the Excel for all these things. Hope you are getting answer like this only. Check your numbers. I think this is visible to you also. 120. Okay, 126, 2772, 2680, and then 3276. Please complete it. I will also complete it. Just give me 1 minute only. One minute only. Right now. Covariance summation of xi yi divided by n. N is the number of observations and n is 6 here. Minus x bar we have not obtained, so summation of xi divided by n, summation of yi divided by n. So 2772 divided by 6 minus 120 divided by 6. Yes, what is the answer? How much is the covariance? Anyone? Answer? Anyone? Sorry, काय आहे answer?
सर मायनस होतं का आन्सर?
येऊ शकते. No problem.
-158.
Minus 158. Please cross check this. Okay. Then sigma x
सर माझं 42 येते.
अरे एकच येईल ना, दोन वेगवेगळे कसे?
42 आलं सर 42
Plus 42.
Plus 42.
yes sir 42 sir.
Plus 42.
Okay. Summation of xi square. Find this. Yes, what is the sigma x?
6.83.
6.83.
6.83. Okay, let me change the page. Okay, next. Sigma y. yi square divided by n. Whole square. yi square. Yes, how much is this?
10.24.
10 point.
24.
सुरू झालं. हो नाही आज बराच वेळ. मॅडम therefore r of x y equal to so covariance is 42. Yes, find this.
Zero 0.6.
And thus x and y are how they are correlated, strongly or weakly?
Strongly associated.
कसं काय?
0.6 आहे ना सर.
हो ना,
पॉझिटिव्ह
it
आहे
should be
आणि
near.
0.5 च्या वर येतोय ना.
तरी correlated नाही आहे जास्त, weakly correlated.
पण 0.5 च्या वर येतोय ना. 0.75. हा राईट. मॉडरेटली.
If it is near to 1, weakly पेक्षा it should be better to write
मॉडरेटली.
moderately.
0.75 च्या खाली येतोय आणि 0.5 च्या वर येतोय.
Moderately, it should not be weakly. Weakly if it is near to 0, then moderately will be better. Right? Moderately correlated. Okay, next example, right? Right, next example, second example. Right. Obtain correlation between population density per square mile. So number of people living per square mile. Where the density is maximum in the world?
इंडिया.
Hey, you are very happy.
सॉरी, बांगलादेश.
Any other answer?
चायना.
China is very big country.
हा,
Area
बांगलादेशमध्ये डेन्सिटी जास्त आहे.
Any other answer?
नेपाळ.
हा? नेपाळ? नाही रे. Yes, who else? Anyone know
वेस्ट बंगाल.
exact? No. West Bengal is not a country.
हा.
What about Japan? Find the answer of this question. City, population density and death rate. So let me write the cities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is Mumbai, Delhi, New Delhi, then Chennai, 500, 400, 700, 300, 12, 18, 16, 21, 10.
Sir, inner core of Earth.
Inner core of Earth? Answer of what? Maximum density? No. I am asking about population density. You check it. Is there anywhere the rate of growth rate of population is negative, or everywhere it is positive? One report was there before few days. The report was saying that at this moment the population of world is 7.5 billion. Correct, no? 750 crores. Okay, around, and it is given in the report that by 2050 the population of world will decrease. Population of India will come down to 70 crores. Population of many of the countries will decrease except the African countries. At this moment, the growth rate in African countries is more as compared to the whole world. The growth rate in European and American countries, in America, in fact, in America, the growth rate is more due to the migration of people to the America. Natural growth rate is very less. Okay, in European, many of the European countries, the growth rate of population is negative. You might know this, including Russia and few more countries are there. Scandinavian countries are there where the growth rate is negative. African countries, it is population is growing very fast. Asian countries, the rate is before 10 years it was very high rate, but now it is moderate rate. The population is increasing, no doubt, but it is increasing by moderate rate. You might know all these things very well. Okay, so we'll go through the example, and we want to find whether the density and death rate they are correlated or not. Okay, so can anyone tell me what may be the R of XY? Is there any correlation? You see the numbers 212, 518, 416, 721, 310. So is it possible that they are correlated? So as the density is changing, the death rate is also changing in the same proportion. Is it so? Yes,
No.
anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. So the R may not be equal to 1. It will be not near to 1. So it may be near to 0 or it may be near to 0.5. So we'll check it from the answer. Okay. Yes. So it is very difficult to predict what the answer will be by seeing the data only. And again, we are considering data of 5 cities only here. We may have to consider data of 100 cities. Then just observation will not give the required answer, and for that stat is required. Now you might have understood where the stat is required. Okay, so now we have to find correlation between this density and death rate. Okay, we'll go ahead. Next page. So x, y, xi, yi, psi square, yi. Don't remember these squares. Yes, these are the numbers. You check whether your answer is like this or not. Hope you are getting numbers like this. Please check it.
Corrected. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, you got these numbers?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo, next. Let covariance of xy. N is the number of observation, 5 different cities. Yes, how much is this?
632.
632. Okay. Next, sigma x. Summation of x square divided by n. Yes, how much is sigma x? Yes, find these two numbers. What are they? Yes,
172.04.
172.04. Okay, next.
$3.9799.
3.97. Okay, so therefore yes, how much is this?
0.9253.
0.92.
9253. Yes.
So it is near to 1.
1.
So
Strongly.
what is conclusion? X and Y are strongly correlated. Is the conclusion. Understood? Strongly correlated. Okay, remember this. Remember this. Okay, no problem. I'll go through the next part. Just 1 minute only. Okay, we'll continue. Start with the regression.